Hi, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing volumes of regular prisms. So let's take a look at our first example. Here we're being asked to find the volume of this pentagonal prism. They've given us the cross-sectional area at the front here, which is 72 meters squared, and that's this area here for the front face. And then they've given us the depth of the prism, which is 11 meters. So the formula for the volume of a prism is the cross-sectional area times the depth. So in this case, to get the volume of the prism, we are going to multiply 72 by 11, and this will give us 792 meters cubed. Don't forget, we're dealing with volumes, so the unit is in cube. And since the length is in meters, therefore the volume is in meters cubed. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a 2-star example. Again, they're asking us to find the volume, this time of an octagonal prism, and the cross-sectional area this time is 8.1 centimeters squared, where the depth is 0.9 centimeters. So to find the volume, I'm going to multiply the cross-sectional area, which is 8.1, by the depth, which is 0.9. Calculating this gives us a volume of 7.29, and the units are going to be centimeters cubed. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a 3-star example. Here they're asking us to find the missing side. In this case, it's the depth, which they've labeled as L. However, they've given us the volume of this prism, which is 896 meters cubed. So using the formula to find the volume of a prism, we're going to replace the prism volume here on the left-hand side by the volume that they've actually given us, which is 896. And this is going to equal the cross-sectional area, which in this case is 64, multiplied by the depth, which in this case is the letter L. And now all we have to do is rearrange for this letter L, and we should find the value of it. So I can see that there's a 64 being multiplied onto the L, so to cancel it out, I'm just going to divide by 64, and I have to do this on the other side as well. 896 divided by 64 is 14, and this is equal to L. Of course, the 64 and the divided by 64 cancel out. So the missing side has a length of 14 meters. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on volumes of regular prisms.